Okay, so here's my bill from the dealer. Um, this is all in Canadian dollar. So the first one is the oil pump at $253. There's joint, okay, bolts, the oil, solenoid, actuator, coolant, water pump flow, another joint. Okay. So as you can see, 2,299. Okay, other than this, okay, they did an alignment, of course, because repairing this pump, you need to remove the oil pan. After fully removing the oil pan, you need to remove the front diff, rack and pinion, alternator, water pump, timing chain cover. Wow. Okay. 14-hour job. 14-hour, yeah. $125 an hour for labor. So if you go here, total parts, $500. Labor, 1,700. Well, $1,800 plus tax. So this is my bill for repairing my truck with only 90,000 kilometers. Yeah. With the towing, yeah, cost me $3,000 for GM oil pump failure. Thank you very much. Now I affectionately call it my garbage truck. Thanks, GM.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you some folks having oil pump failure on GM trucks 2014 2018. Here's this guy here, Power Max, has a 2014 Denali 6.2 oil pump fill at only 17,000 kilometers. Wow. How reliable are these oil pump? Man. Okay, let's continue. Okay, there's another one here. 2014 5.3 liter with 35,000 miles. Was on the highway and got the low oil pressure shut down immediately a message. So another low mileage truck with an oil pump failure. Okay, this guy says looks like one truck per year. Well, you got that so wrong, man. Okay, here's another one here. Is 2014 5.3 with 73,000 miles. Yeah, 73,000 miles. I'd like, come on. Okay, blah blah blah. Yeah, and he find out that the oil pump is dead. They drop in the pan and found some metal shavings, of course. Okay, rebuilding the motor. Oh wow. Looks like he's under warranty. Lucky you. Okay, so let's go further just to find other people. Mine had no sign. Okay, he had a pump failure with no signs before. Let's go to the next page. Okay, this guy Denali 53, 34,000 kilometers on it. Okay, whining sound in engine compartment. Yeah, and the oil pump has failed. So another one. And don't forget that not everybody is going on the internet and saying that their oil pump failed. So if you think there's only a couple, believe me, this should be a recall on this, or even a class action lawsuit for these very bad oil pump. Let's continue. Third page. Okay. Okay, my pump bought the farm today. 104,000 kilometers. Has been warning like a Ford power steering pump for a while. This is just like mine did. By the way, mine cost me almost $3,000 in repairs at the dealer. Okay, a friend of mine was a tech at GM for quite a few years. Okay, nonetheless, when he was at GM, he sent me a pic of an oil pump, 2014 53. The veins in the pump, as well as the outer ring, were both cracked. Said it was pretty common, and they were doing 1 or 2 trucks a week for quite some time. So there you go, a GM tech saying that this is very common. Okay, here's one guy with the oil pump fail. They are putting a new engine because sometimes you have metal shavings and you can just ruin the truck. He was lucky, so he was under warranty, I guess. Okay, Winky. I'm a tech at GM dealer. I personally have done 20 plus more oil pump on 5.3 and 6.2. Start out as a power steering pump type noise, then gets louder until they catastrophically fail. Poor design, auto race in the pump that the veins ride on as the thin spot where the pivots on a pin. Wrist cracks and veins hit the ridge. Have seen pump fails as early as 7k miles. There is a tab. Well, I'm pretty sure it's TSB for the issue. Sometimes it will set code P06DD for our pressure control solenoid. By the way, that engine code, I got that for my 2014 Sierra all-terrain. I had that same code. Okay, here's another one. 2015 Silverado 5.3. Okay, warning noise. Yep. Okay. Okay, he had an extended coverage. Okay, so again, oil pump did fail, but he was lucky to have it on warranty. Okay, 2018 Silverado 5.3 just had an oil pump failure. 12,000 miles. Wow. Good job, GM. Okay, another one. Here, just had an oil pump repaired. Okay, here's another one. Wrangler mic. Oil pump on 2014 4.3. Installed new engine. Okay, wow. That's great. By the way, changing these oil pump, it's about, depends who is doing it, but it's between a 12 and 14 hour job. So be prepared. Hi ho, new member. 2014 Sierra, 80,000, 98,000 kilometers. Yeah, recently had my oil pump replaced. Let's continue and let's find another one. I have 2018 Silverado driving on the highway. Miles 80,000. Service engine soon like came out. Took it to the dealer. Oil pump is bad. Another one. Okay, and this is me. Yeah, Sierra 2014 5.3. Oil pump failed at 90,000 kilometers, 56,000 miles. Cost me 2,875 and 39 cents Canadian dollar for a 14-hour job at the dealer. Okay, I'll stop here. I'm pretty sure you understand that a lot of people are having that problem and GM is doing nothing about it. Okay, so let's see another one here. Bush Boy 2014 Sierra 5.3. It's around 102k. Yeah. Lost oil pressure. Yeah. No pressure at the pump. And the pump is gone. Okay. Okay, let's see if there's another one. Another one here, probably. Yeah, another one here with 40,000 miles. Oil pump. He's lucky, under warranty. Okay, I'm pretty sure, yeah. You know how I feel. Always been a GM truck guy. It is my Ford GM pickup. Had 3 Sierras, 1 Silverado. This is my newest 2014, and this is the one giving me problems. My last Silverado was 369,000 kilometers with the original oil pump. So this should not happen on a Sierra 2014. So What are your thoughts on this? So if you have experienced or thinking of a class action lawsuit, leave a comment. Just say something. I feel alone. If you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. Maybe you can share this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.